Good day, Mom and Sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Junjel Diaz Takaan, 30 years old, from Nabunturan, Davao de Oro, Philippines. I am a high school graduate and I have three kids, two boys and one girl. I have work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid of 2 years contract. I serve three members of the family, the parents and their one child. I wake up early in the morning to prepare her breakfast and do all household like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, washing dishes, and also help her daughter to prepare the things to go to school. And I will take care if the parents are not around. Ma'am, sir, if you heard me, I am a hardworking person and I have a good moral character and I know how to care of baby. I can work hand in hand to my job related. I can work time to time on my duty. And I finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. I hope that I will part of your family and I treat your family as my own family. Thank you and God bless.